At Dyer, servicing your vehicle has never been easier. With you and your time in mind, servicing with factory-trained technicians for way less than you'd ever expect.
Glad you're here. Welcome to Dyer. Taking care of you and your vehicle is what we do.
Welcome to the Dyer Service Difference. Servicing virtually all make and model vehicles. From simple maintenance like oil changes to complete engine and transmission overhauls and warranty repairs, let us put our state-of-the-art technology to work for you. From our initial vehicle walkaround to diagnostics and repairs, using the proper equipment ensures our factory-trained technicians will have your vehicle back to you as quickly as possible with worry-free driving ahead.
And while you're here, enjoy our complimentary beverages and our comfortable waiting room. Your exceptional experience is our priority.
A better way to service is right here at Dyer Kia. With you and your vehicle always in mind, experience the Dyer service difference today.